Hi everyone! Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get more rolls on Monopoly Go. Okay, first things first, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Monopoly Go app. So, if you do not know, free rolls are basically your dice. You can get free rolls every 5 minutes, up to a maximum of 30 free rolls. So, just make sure to check back into the game at least once every 2 hours to never miss out on these free rolls. Next is collecting a shield when your shield slots are already full. It will give you a free roll along with the cash you would earn from landing on that space on the board. Upgrading your town also can provide you with a bunch of free rolls and cash. Each time you fully upgrade your town, you'll receive a significant amount of cash and several free rolls. Collecting stickers also can help you. Each sticker belongs to a specific album, and if you collect all the stickers in an album, you'll receive a ton of rewards, including free rolls and chance cards. Don't forget to log in every day also to receive your daily rewards, as long as inviting friends to play Monopoly Go can earn you 30 free rolls. Finally, keep an eye out for quick wins, which are daily challenges that can earn you free rewards including rolls. Make sure to complete these challenges and collect the rewards. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get more rolls on Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.